Let's explore Scholastic Bookflix. This is one of our research resources. If I'm logged into my Round Rock Gmail, I can click on the padlock to get my username and password, click on Bookflix, and I'll come up with the opening screen, put in my username and password, and I'm in. Because I already know how to use Bookflix, I'm going to skip the intro and go right to the home page. There's always a featured pair on the home page. Your featured pair fiction and nonfiction, or you can choose from one of 9 categories. Let's go to adventure. Now, I can just browse all of the titles available, or I could put in a specific topic or title. We've got Duck for President, Duck on a Bike, or Giggle, Giggle, Quack. Let's choose Duck on a Bike. You'll always have the option to watch the story for the fiction title and read the book for the nonfiction. Watching the story looks like this. Let me just zoom it along a bit. Give you a peek. I'm in read along mode, but I can mute that, read it to myself, and I can even choose to have it read in Espanol. Now, let's take a look at read the book. I'm going to go ahead and open the book. Again, I can choose to read it in English or in Spanish. And when I get to a word I don't know, I simply click on that word and it will give me some help. It looks like this. When the student is done reading, they have some puzzlers they can do. There's always a word. They can play fact or fiction. And then, which came first? To dive deeper, there are 2 options. Students can explore the web. There will be websites that have been vetted by Scholastic and are safe for our kids to go to. These are third-party websites. And I can meet the creators. In this case, David Shannon was the author and illustrator of Duck on a Bike. For our teachers, there are even more resources available. If I go up to the upper right-hand corner, I can click on the apple in the book, and I can go to resources and tools. Each book pair can actually be shared through Google Classroom. Since I'm logged into my Google account, I just choose a classroom that I'm going to send it to and an action, and I'm going to go ahead and create that class assignment. Now, we won't get too in-depth there, but I want to take the time to also show you that I can look at books by Lexile level, grade level, even running times. When I go to resources, there's more information about Bookflix, but there are also some downloadable resources I can use, like parent letters in English and in Spanish, a little bookmark, and even parent tips I can send home. If you want an in-depth tutorial, just go here to the Bookflix tutorial overview, and there'll be a step-by-step guide of how to make the most out of Bookflix. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your campus librarian.